Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today I do have a unboxing to share with you. This is actually a gift from my husband. It was for Valentine's Day and I wanted to open it with you guys. I do kind of have an idea of what it is because he did kind of mention like, hey, what category would you want? Would you want this or that? So it's one of those two categories, which was like the wallets or like accessories from Louis Vuitton. So we're gonna find out together what it is that he chose for me. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. Let's get into this box. Alright, so here is my box. Here is my receipts and like all the papers that come with your online order. Here's my little box. Almost wondering if this ribbon is a part of the like Chinese New Year, the Lunar New Year celebration because of the colors. These colors actually go very well. So I like this. I do have this ribbon already. I can't remember exactly what collection it was from, but I do have a similar ribbon. But anyways, perfect for Valentine's as well. All right, so let's get going. So let's see what is in here. Put down below any guesses that you might have based on the two categories that I've mentioned that this could be. Okay. Woohoo! So this is actually a Louis Vuitton bag charm. This is the Clay LV Facettes charm. So let's take you through. This is my very first Louis Vuitton charm, and it makes sense because when he gave me the box, he was like, this is something that you would never buy yourself. And this does like turn. Here's a little tag, and on the other end, so on one side it does say, actually it's trash day, so you might be hearing that. On one side of the tag it does say Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Italy. On the opposite end it has the product code, so that is M65216. Again, I will put that down below, but I believe the product description that you can find on the website is that M number, so that very first one. My nail polish is Deborah Lippmann, a fine romance, just in case you are wondering. And like I said, it is my very first Louis Vuitton bag charm, so I am excited about that. The ring just has Louis Vuitton on one side. The clasp obviously is like any other clasp by Louis Vuitton. This little jewel in the center does have an LV in the middle, and then obviously the LV logo right there. So I'm gonna bring some of my handbags so that I can model this just in case you're interested in it. All right, so the first bag that I brought to show is my Trevi PM. This one is in the Damier Ebene canvas, so you'll get a sense of what it looks like against that canvas style. Let me just pull the little tag off. And also, it's not that I wouldn't buy myself any Louis Vuitton bag charms. It's just that I did a video on like my wrap-ups for 2023 and I did mention bag charms on there. I'll link that video down below just in case you want to get my perspective and you can kind of see where my husband's comment came from. But this is what it looks like against Damier Ebene. This is what it looks like against the reverse monogram on the actual reverse monogram color side. This is the On The Go MM. And then for a visual on what it would look like on monogram colors, your traditional monogram colors that is. And here is the reverse side of my On The Go. And because the Neverfull is a popular bag, I did bring that out. This is actually the bag that I'm currently using, but I will say it is difficult to get it through this. I'm gonna try to do it anyways so I can show you, because I think it would be perfect from the actual handle. Turns out that I can't do that. It's a little bit hard and I don't want to damage my actual strap there. So I'm just gonna hook it on from one of these little rings right here. Okay. So here it is off to the side, and up here it will dangle more just because of where it's at. But there it is against the Neverfull size. I do have another Neverfull in canvas that I'll try to bring out just so you can get that perspective as well. But there is that one. And then for my empreinte style of bag, I do have another one, but it has different color hardware. So I brought out my Speedy 25. So you get a perspective of what it looks like against this size, as well as if you have maybe a black empreinte, or if you have maybe the cognac color empreinte, or any like navies, any deeper tone empreinte colors. Personally, on this size Speedy, I think this one looks perfect. Yeah, it looks so cute. And then with this being like the giant monogram, like the way it bounces off right here, it's quite nice. It actually doesn't dance as much as I thought on the Neverfull, but again, I'm not like walking or anything. Alright, so I brought an Azure piece. This is the only Azure piece that I have within my collection, so I'm gonna hook this on to show you what it looks like. On this piece, because of where it's positioned, you do hear it more, so just kind of be aware of what item you're using it with, whether or not the noise would be like the show-stopping thing for you. So just wanted to provide that as a note. Even though I already showed the Damier Ebene canvas twice already, I did bring my Alma PM and I brought it out because it has a cloche. This is the only bag that I have with a cloche, so just in case you're wondering what it would look like paired with something already, here's how I'm gonna be showing you. I brought my Neverfull bag, and I thought that maybe this is a little bit unfair because my bag is limited edition, so I probably should have opted for like grabbing my artsy just for an all-around monogram sort of picture. This is the one that I grabbed. So let me see. This side is less busy and has more monogram than this opposite side. So I'm going to show you on this side, and I actually think it looks very nice. So if you have an all over just plain simple monogram tote bag, I think that this pairs very nicely. For the Neverfull, I do kind of wish the clasp was a little bit different or wider or bigger or something, so that it would allow for it to come around the actual strap here. And on this one, I guess you can technically maneuver it around. No, it's pretty much as far as it goes. But then again, like if you are using a hardware piece against your leather, kind of expect residue to come off. So that's probably why they don't make these like that. Overall, I really do like my charm, and I think I have a variety of ways that I can use it within my collection. So I do think that I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this piece. And also to tell me which combination you thought this one looked the best in. All right, so this is my newest addition to my Louis Vuitton collection. And I guess my husband is right. This is something I wouldn't buy for myself quite yet, especially knowing I have already spent some money on the other bag charms that I have within my collection. But nonetheless, I do like this piece, and I'm excited to start expanding my Louis Vuitton bag charm or bag chain collection, because I do like some of their chains. If you have any questions, please let me know what that is down below. I do want to know that I am close to 1,000 subscribers, so if you're a returning subscriber and you have not yet subscribed, please do consider subscribing and being a part of my channel. I do want to do a giveaway once I reach 1,000 subscribers, so I hope that you'll be able to join me for that celebration. But for now, I want to thank you so very much for spending a little bit of your day with me, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.